200 years ago, the population was 1,000 million. Now we are on the way to 8,000 million. Almost 7,000 million in 200 years. This information gives me goosebumps. The rich are getting richer. And the poor poorer. Inflation and population are increasing. And education is getting worse. Therefore, criminality will increase. There are too many mouths and little rice. To adopt an orphan is to get pregnant in your heart. A man that is peaceful, but he's hungry, and his wife also, and his children are sick and they don't have money to buy medicines. This kind person can become a monster. Unless we develop generosity, the world is not going to be safe anymore. And who is going to pay the consequences? Not you, but your children. And even worse, the children of your